Refurb Kings, 1038 East New Circle Road. Refurb Kings has 0% financing and free layaway. Refurb Kings specializes in cell phone and computer repair. Refurb Kings repairs smartphones and tablets, laptops and computers. All can be repaired at Refurb Kings. We're open Monday through Friday 10 to 7, Saturdays 11 to 6, and closed on Sundays. Refurb Kings has hundreds of laptops and smartphones in stock and ready to go for sale. Refurb Kings has Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Cricket, Metro, and Straight Talk phones in stock and ready for sale. Apple iMacs, MacBooks, and MacBook Pros all can be purchased and repaired at Refurb Kings. Remember, you break it, we fix it at Refurb.